You're welcome to provide a solution given this nice algebra problem, which is x plus y is equal to 10 and x times y is equal to 10. So what are the values of x and y? Solution from here. Now, we have that x plus y is equal to 10. Let's call this equation 1. And x times y, this is equal to 10. Let's call this equation 2. Now, from equation 1, which is x plus y is equal to 10, let's make y to be the subject of the formula so that y is equal to 10 minus x and call this equation 3. So let's substitute equation 3 into equation 2. So we have equation 2 as xy is equal to 10. Substituting the value of y here, we will have x into the parentheses 10 minus x. This is equal to 10. Let's open the bracket here. X times 10, this is 10x. Subtract x times minus x, this is negative x squared. This is equal to 10. Now let's take 10 on the left hand side so that we'll have here negative x squared plus 10x subtract 10. This is equal to 0. Now the next step, let's multiply both signs by negative 1. So negative 1 times minus x squared, this is x squared. Then plus 10x times minus 1, this is minus 10x. Then minus 10 times minus 1, this is plus 10. This is equal to 0. Now this is a quadratic equation of the form ax squared plus bx plus c. This is equal to 0. So from this quadratic equation, we have a equal to 1, b equal to negative 10, and c equal to 10. So in this case, to solve for the values of x1 and x2, let's introduce the quadratic formula, which is minus b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac, all this divided by 2 times a. So here we'll have minus 10 plus or minus the square root of, this is minus 10 squared, subtract 4 times a is 1 here, times c, which is 10. All this divided by 2 times 1. Next step here, we'll have minus times minus 10. This is actually equal to 10, plus or minus. Now, the square root of, this is minus 10 squared, which is 100. Subtract 4 times 10, this is 40. All this divided by 2. So let's proceed from here. So from what we have here, this is 10 plus or minus the square root of 100 minus 40. This is 60, square root of 60, divided by 2. So this is equal to 10 plus or minus. Now we can express square root of 60 as 4 times 15 divided by 2. So here we'll have, this is 10 plus or minus. Now we can express, remember, if you have the square root of ab, this can be expressed as square root of individual a multiplied by square root of b. Now applying this property, we'll have the square root of 4 times 15. This can be expressed as square root of 4 multiplied by square root of 15. All this divided by 2. So this is equal to 10 plus or minus the square root of 4. This is 2 multiplied by square root of 15 divided by 2. So from here, we can factor out 2 here. So that here we have 5 plus or minus square root of 15 divided by 2. So let's simplify here so that now we'll have x1, x2 equal to 5 plus or minus the square root of 15. So this implies that we have x1 equal to 5 plus square root of 15, and we have x2 equal to 5 subtract square root of 15. So now we have x1 and x2. So let's solve the corresponding values of y Okay, let's solve the corresponding values of y. Now, if you recall equation 3 here, equation 3 is equal to 10 minus x. So we have y is equal to 10 minus x. Substituting this, that means that y1 is equal to 10, subtract x1. x1 here is 5 plus square root of 15. And this means that this is 10, subtract 5, okay? Subtract square root of 15. So this is equal to 5, subtract square root of 15. So this is what is y1. y2 here, this is equal to 10, subtract x2. x2 here is 5 minus square root of 15. 5 minus square root of 15. So this is equal to 10, subtract 5, minus times minus square root of 15. This is plus square root of 15. So this is equal to 10 minus 5. This is 5 plus square root of 15. So this is y2. So we have two sets of solutions here. We have x1, comma y1. This is equal to x1 is 5 plus square root of 15. And y1 here is 5 subtract square root of 15. And we also have x2, y2. So here we have two sets of solutions, x1, comma y1, which is 5 plus square root of 15, and y1 is 5, subtract square root of 15. Then we have x2, comma y2. This is equal to x2 here, x2 is 5, subtract square root of 15, and y2 here is 5 plus square root of 15. So given this set of solutions, let's verify that these two sets of solutions, that is x1, y1 and x2, y2, satisfies the equation. Satisfies the equation. Now, if you recall, we end x plus y, this is equal to 10, and also x times y, this is equal to 10. So we can use this equation 1. Now, from equation 1, we have that x plus y, this should give us a value of 10. Now, given x1 and y1, let's substitute this. We have 5 plus square root of 15 plus 5 subtract square root of 15. They should give us a value of 10. Here it's clear that square root of 15 here simplifies, and then 5 plus 5, this is 10. So 10 is equal to 10. So that means that the left hand side is equal to the right hand side. The next step here, let's verify x2, y2. Now, x plus y, this is equal to 10. So we have 5 subtract square root of 15 plus 5 plus square root of 15. This should give us a value of 10. Now square root of 15 here simplifies. So 5 plus 5, this is actually 10, which is equal to 10. And that implies that the left hand side is essentially equal to the right hand side. And therefore, x1, y1, and x2, y2 actually satisfies the equation. So kindly follow the steps, like this video, and subscribe. See you in the next video.